Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share images to different Discord servers on Discord. First of all, now go to any Discord server and you can see there is an images. I can just click on the share button. Now select the Discord server that you want to share the image. Now click on the send button and you will be able to share them directly. The other method is that simply click on the image and click on open in browser. Now copy this link for the image and go to the server where you want this image to be shared and just paste the address and click enter. The image will be shared here directly. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.